Hey, good morning, folks. And I am in the process of getting my cows up to where I can load some of them out. I'm going to try and get my January calvers home today. There's 11 of those. And I've got a cattle train behind me. And they're used to me with the hay on the tractor, but I'm taking it to a different spot, which is a little longer walk, so it's going to take them a while to get up there. Once they get up there, I'll lock them in, and then I'll do the sorting once I get the truck and trailer back here to haul them out. And I got to do it today, this morning, while the ground is frozen, because I'm afraid I can't get the trailer pulled out if this ground thaws out. Well, I've got 7 of the 11 hauled home, and I'm getting ready to haul the last 4. Might have got them all on in one load, but I didn't want to crowd them all in there. So we'll see if we can get these last 4 sorted. Knock on wood, it's gone pretty well so far. But these are the January calvers, and they need to be brought home. Okay, I just used the cow crate bander on this August bull calf, and now I'm going to give him his vaccinations. Which is 2 different vaccines. Both sub-Q. So he's done, and now I'm going to do the heifer. Okay, got the 3 cows sorted off and the 2 calves that need to go back out in the pasture for the winter. Another Saturday job done. Hey, good morning everyone. It is a Sunday morning, December 21st, as we approach Christmas week. And out doing the morning chores as normal. But I have less cows to feed because they're out in the pasture. 11 cows brought home from the summer pasture. I think I shared that earlier. And 4 replacement heifers and 2 cows that are stifled that I'm trying to get through calving season with. So they're up, and it's a nice sunny day today. Looks like the temperature's going to warm up throughout the week, but also lots of moisture, so it's going to be problems getting our corn out. Well, I'm out here in the morning pasture, and these are the 11 cows I brought home and 3 cows that have been up in a lot that I turned out in the pasture, and the 2 calves that I turned out. So it's a little different to have cattle here at home out in the pasture. And these are all the cows that's going to calve in January, starting January 10th. Well, folks, yesterday I thought I had a really good day when I brought my calvers home. And I guess I read a tag wrong and I brought one of the wrong cows home. So I had to come back here this morning on a Sunday morning and get cow 210. And I also need cow C10. Okay, I just got 1 cow I got to sort off, and I've got the 2 that I need. So I don't need the Baldy. So get her out. And then these are the 2 that I need. I really needed 510. But C10 is due February 1st. So get them loaded. Hey, good morning everyone. It is the eve before Christmas Eve. And working on morning chores, so I don't have to do it on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, at least as far as putting out hay. So I'm doing that this morning. Take a couple bales of hay to the cows at the summer pasture. Remember, there's only about half as many there as there was since I brought all the January and the February 1st calvers home. So get this hay put out, gotta run to town, put some payments on bills in the post office, stop by the State Farm Agency and pay my insurance bill. That's what's on the agenda today. Alright, I've got the 2 bales here in town. I've got the net wrap off. When I say town, I mean I'm almost to the city limits. And you can see the town from this pasture. cows are ready because they all came up when they heard the tractor. So they're going to be pretty content for the next few days. Well, folks, hope everyone has a great Christmas holiday season, and that's going to be a wrap on an early video this week. Hope you enjoyed the little drone video of the cows that were brought home, and enjoy your time with family and friends. Thanks for watching. Share the video, hit that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone.